Are you struggling to maintain your fitness and health amidst a busy lifestyle? It's challenging to find time for the gym, but you don't have to leave your home to stay fit. Did you know that a simple 15-minute walking routine can help you lose belly fat without any special equipment? If you're struggling to stay healthy with a busy lifestyle, the Fresh Juice Original is your solution. With over 100 5-star reviews, this portable blender makes fresh smoothies and juices anytime, anywhere. No more skipping meals or resorting to fast food. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Ready to boost your nutrition on the go? Check the link in the description and grab yours now. In this video, we'll walk you through a 15-minute home routine designed to help you lose belly fat efficiently. This easy-to-follow routine fits perfectly into your day, whether you're working from home or just want a quick, effective workout. Tip 1. Start with a warm-up walk around your living space. This is key because it prepares your body by increasing circulation, loosening your muscles, and getting you ready for the workout. A proper warm-up helps prevent injuries and makes your workout more effective. Tip 2. Add in some intervals of power walking. Speeding up your pace for short bursts, even within your home, can significantly increase calorie burn and boost your metabolism. Incorporating this into your routine can lead to more effective belly fat loss and improved cardiovascular health. Are you facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in the description. Tip 3. Engage your core throughout your walk. Many people underestimate the impact of core activation, but it's crucial for enhancing the effectiveness of your walking routine. Tightening your abdominal muscles as you walk helps tone your midsection and supports better posture. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, routines, and health advice to keep you on track with your fitness goals. Recap. Today's routine included warming up with a simple walk, adding power walking intervals, and focusing on core engagement. These steps are all essential for a quick and effective belly fat loss routine at home. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your time and dedication to staying healthy. Your support means the world to us. Are you looking to boost your fitness? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below.